ang room namin, 103. Ito, papasok sa room.
Hello.
Ayan si Melody, ka-roommate ko.
Baka makita.
Ito ang room niya, ay ito ang bed niya.
Diba?
Ito ang bed ko magulo.
Okay lang yan. Oy, bra mo. Kita na sa camera.
Ito ang restroom namin. Oo. May shower kami, may heater. Social, di ba? Say hi!
Hi. I'm going to take a bath na.
Okay. Oh, ang laki ng TV namin. Nasa 10th floor kami.
Amy, if you can hear me, we love you, baby. Try to be strong. And I just want to say to whoever did this,
Ang gulo ng room namin.
police have focused their investigation on this man, Derek Adler. Sources say Amy was last seen leading a campus party with Adler,
Third day namin ngayon. Ay, fourth kalat.
but are not saying what they found.